Okay, next situation. Because of long-term loading from the 900 Newton tension in the power line, the uniform utility pole has developed a lean. The mass per unit length of the 9-meter pole is 24 kilogram per meter, and the mass of the lamp fixture is negligible. For the first question, calculate the x component of the reaction at the ground. Second, calculate the y component of the reaction at the ground support. And then the moment reaction. So basically, para lang tong problem na meron ka ditong beam tapos may fixed support. Yeah, parang cantilever lang siya actually, no? So anyway, with that, dahil doon na meron tayo ditong in-expect na vertical reaction and then horizontal reaction. And then meron tayong ina-expect din dito na moment reaction. Lahat ng direction, inassume ko lang. So verify na lang natin mamaya kung tama yung mga directions niya. And then, ano pa yung ibang forces? So yung forces acting on the cable, sabi niya may tension daw na 900. Okay? Tapos maliban doon, meron daw mass yung pole. So may bigat ito. Okay? Pero dahil uniform naman daw yung pole, no? Uniform naman daw. Uniform naman. So, ibig sabihin, yung location ng weight niyan or yung mass niyan ay nasa gitna. No, nandun sa centroid niya. So, nandito. So, let's say ito yung gitna. So, nandyan. Okay, so weight ng pole. So, ang weight ng pole, paano kino-compute? Well, ang binigay kasi sa atin dito, guys, ay 24 kilogram per meter. So, ibig sabihin yung ano, kumbaga, if this is the pole, yan yung pole. So parang binigay sa atin is yung uniform weight niya per mass. So ganito. Ganyan. So ganyan siya. So this is 24 kilogram per meter. So obviously, para makuha natin yung weight niyan, no, yung weight ng pole, so kunin mo lang yung area nito. Diba? Kunin mo lang yung area nito. And anong area niyan? So ang area niyan is at base times height lang. Bali, ang base mo ito, yung 9. Okay? Tapos ang height mo, ito, yung 24. So, bali, 24 times 9. And that gives us, okay, in kilogram, no? Kasi ano pa lang to eh. Kilogram pa lang yan eh. So, 24 times 9. So, that is in 216 kilogram. Okay, but what we want is for this to be in Newton, no? So, para maging Newton yan, mag-multiply lang tayo dito ng acceleration due to gravity. So, therefore, ang weight ng pole would be 2118.96. This is in Newton. Okay? So, 2118.96. Okay? So, now, to find the x component, no? So, we will just take summation of forces x, assuming to the right is positive. So, we have ax. Ano pang ibang x? So, yung x component nito. Yan. Okay, so what is the x component of that? So, dahil may 15 degrees dyan, so that is 900 cosine of 15. Diba? Kasi adjacent side yung x component. So, that is 900 cosine of 15 to the left. Okay, and maliban dun, wala na. So, therefore, we can already calculate the x component. Okay, so 869 point something. 0.33 newtons. And that is already our answer for the first question. So, letter A. Next, calculate the y component of the reaction at the ground. So, hinahanap naman natin is AY. So, let's take summation of forces Y naman. So, yung mga forces along Y ay ito, tsaka yung Y component nito. Which is 900 900 sine 15. Okay? So that is for number 2. Summation of forces y equal to 0, assuming upward is positive. So we have downward, yung 900 sine 15. Tapos downward din, itong 2118.96. Tapos upward yung AY equal to 0. So therefore, our AY is okay, 2351.9. So that will be our answer for number 2. Okay, approximately letter B. Lastly, calculate the moment reaction at the ground support. So moment naman. So obviously, we will take moment at A. Okay, so kaya lang medyo ano siya ng kaunti, no? Kailangan nating ma-figure out yung mga moment. So, di ba mag-moment tayo sa A? So, ito iikot. Ang moment arm niyan ay ito. So, kailangan natin to. Kailangan natin yan. Okay, so anong distance niyan? Dahil na alam natin na ito ay nasa midpoint, so ibig sabihin ko ito ay 9, ito ay half lang ng 9. Diba? So this is actually 9.5. Diba? 9.5 yan. So let me just draw a triangle here, ha? Yan. Dito natin ilagay. Yan. So ibig sabihin, alam natin na ito ay 9/2. Okay? And then what else do we need to know? So yung angle. So ang sabi dito, yung angle daw nung pole with respect sa vertical ay 5 degrees. So ngayon, kung ito ay vertical, ito rin ay vertical. So ibig sabihin ko, ito ay 5 degrees, ito ay 5 degrees din. So pakita ko lang dito, ano? Parang ito yung vertical, ito yung pole. So 5 degrees din daw to. So ibig sabihin, ba nag-drawing ako ng another line dito, so ibig sabihin, dapat 5 degrees din to. So ibig sabihin, 5 degrees to. Okay? At dahil 5 degrees yan, tapos ito ay 90 degrees, so we can use sine function. So ibig sabihin, sine ng 5 degrees, tawagin ko itong x 5 degrees ay equal sa x over 9/2. So therefore, x is 9/2 sine 5 degrees. So ito yun. So yun yung moment arm nung WP. And what else? Kailangan din natin yung moment arm nito. Ito naman. Yan, kailangan din natin yung moment arm. Ito madali na ma-analyze. Kasi lumalabas lang guys, ito, same lang do sa yellow. Ito 5 degrees pa rin. Pinagkaiba lang, this is 9. So therefore, ito lumalabas ngayon that this would be 9 sine of 5 degrees. So wala lang siyang over 2. Okay? And lastly, kailangan din natin tong distance na to. Okay? And how do we solve that distance? So actually guys, yung distance yan, ito rin yan. Yan din yun. Kasi di ba ito yan. Oh. Ito rin yan. And how do you solve this? Kung ito ay sine, malamang cosine to. Di ba? So this would be 9 cosine 5. Okay? So we are now ready to take summation of moment at A for number 3. Summation of moment at A equal to 0, assuming counterclockwise is positive. So let's start off with W sub P, yung 2118.96. The moment arm is 9/2 sine 5 degrees. Bali, ito. Ito yung moment arm niya. Ang rotation niya is counterclockwise. Next, itong namang y component ng 900. So 900 sine 15. Okay, ang moment arm naman nun ay ito naman. Diba? Ito yan. So, ang moment arm niya ito. Which is 9 sine 5. So, the rotation of this would be counterclockwise. So, plus din. Okay, and then also, ito naman horizontal. So, 900 cosine 15. The moment arm is this, which is 9 cosine 5. So, the rotation it will produce about A is also counterclockwise. Okay? And then lastly, yung moment reaction dito na MA na inassume ko na clockwise. Okay? All equal to 0. So therefore, the moment at A can now be calculated okay, and that gives us 88 8808 no? 8808.00. But this is in anong units yan? Ito kasi naka-meter, ito naka-newton. So newton meter ito. Ang kailangan sa problem ay okay na, naka-newton meter. So ito na yun. So that will be our answer. Okay, so that is letters. And that's how we solve this problem.